Hello, everyone. This is Mark from mksenglish.com, and today we are going to practice listening. I'm going to read a story, and I'd like you to try your best to understand everything. You can listen as many times as you want. Once you are ready, I'd like you to click the provided worksheet page link. You will see what I read, but also that some of the words are missing. Do you have what it takes to fill in the missing words? Okay, here we go. Why space matters to us all. Today, I want to talk to you about something that has always captured the human imagination. Space. Space is more than just stars, planets, and empty blackness. It's a place of mystery, danger, and endless beauty. But most importantly, space is connected to our lives here on Earth in ways you might not expect. Think about it. Why do we study space? Why do we spend billions of dollars sending rockets, satellites, and even people into the unknown? The answer is simple: curiosity. Humans have always wanted to explore, to understand, to see what's out there. But there's more to it. The technologies we create for space often come back to Earth and make our lives better. For example, did you know that GPS, weather forecasting, and even the cameras in your smartphone all started as space technologies? Space exploration also teaches us how to solve big problems together. The International Space Station is a perfect example. Astronauts from different countries live and work there in peace, sharing knowledge and resources. If we can cooperate in space, why not here on Earth? There's another reason space is important. Our future may depend on it. Earth is our home, but it's fragile. Climate change, asteroid impacts, and overpopulation are challenges we can't ignore. Space may give us answers, or even a second home. Some people say exploring space is too expensive, but I believe it's an investment in our future. Every time we look up in the night sky, we are reminded of how small we are and how big our dreams can be. So the next time you see the stars, remember this: space isn't just out there. It's part of us. It's a part of our story. And together, we can keep reaching for it. Thank you. All right, so when you're ready, head over to the free worksheet. Try to fill out the missing words. If you want to listen to this again, go ahead. Listen as many times as you want. This is a great exercise for around the B2 ESL level. All right, guys. See you next time. Good luck.